So, hey everyone, this is Gansha Singh, and it's day 13 of my 30 days challenge. So, today I made few mind maps of both botany and geology. Till tomorrow, I'll complete all those mind maps which I started yet. And today I completed all the exercise of principal inheritance in botany, which I completed yesterday, as you can see, and sorry for that. And I made questions of alternating current today because that is going on right now in our class. So yes, today was a really nice day, and because of my voice, I am suffering from a bit cold and cough. So yeah, um, today was a really productive day, I guess, because I just figured out of all the short notes. So yeah, a great thumbs up and see you soon.